Hello, I'm going to be showing you how to create a new opportunity in CRM for our hops work that we're going to be doing. So the job opening that we're going to be using here is for cornucopia natural foods. So this is the job we're going to work with. We're going to create the opportunity, create a HPC quote, and go through the whole process for you. So this first video is going to show you how to create the opportunity in CRM. So I'm going to move this and get started with CRM here. So as you can see, here is our screen for CRM. When you log into it, this is your dashboard that should show up. And we're going to go to opportunities. So I'm going to go up here to the sales caret and hit opportunities. This is going to load all of my open opportunities at this point. So we're going to create a new one. So we're going to go over here to new, and this is going to help us start creating our opportunity. So the very first thing that we have to do is the account summary, and we're going to be filling in everything that has a red asterisk on it because those are required items. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to type in cornucopia, and then I'm going to hit the enter key. This is going to bring up several different ones, and you'll notice that on our job opening it said cornucopia natural foods, but that's not the store that we had loaded into hops. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to pick this one, Cornucopia Market, Sayville, New York. And then that will load everything for that particular account information. So we've got that one. We're going to continue. So then the next thing we have to do is the opportunity type, and in most instances it will be equipment, so I'm going to check that box. And then we come down here and we have several things that have the red asterisks that we have to put in there. So the first one I'm going to do is the summary of work, and this is where you'll see the do not use, and I've been putting SIT testing, and then you can come back in and put the quote number from HPC that you have. I'm just going to put one in here right now so you can kind of see what I'm talking about here. So this is where you would come back in after you've created your HPC quote and do this. Next thing we do is the project type, and I'm taking that from the job summary, and for this store it is the new store. We then go down to the major branch, and I know it's major branch 05, so I just type that in. And I know it's sub-branch 49, so I just type that in. And then the estimated close date, I hit the calendar. And right now I'm just putting everything at August 18th, so I just put that in there. And then you'll do estimated revenue, and I just do 0. So we've got everything we need right here, and you'll notice this opportunity ID number is locked. This is where the opportunity ID number will show up once we've saved this. So the only other thing you need to do is scroll down and put a refrigerant type in, and I've just been hitting R407A, and you can do that each time and that shouldn't be any problem. The last thing is only if you're doing Canadian, and I know we're not doing Canadian right now, but this currency, this is where you would change a currency to Canadian if we were going to bill this in Canadian dollars, but we're not. So we've got everything we need here. We've scrolled up, scrolled down, so I'm going to hit save. And then it creates for me, it kind of came up here and said do not use, so this is what I put in the summary of work. And if you scroll down just a little bit here, you'll now see we have our opportunity number 72101. So that's how you create an opportunity in CRM.